getting customers on a daily basis is one thing you want to make sure you're doing as a business owner. If you want to actually, succeed in business, like we say, customer are the lifeblood to the business. So any business that is not getting customers, any business that is not, getting the kind of customers that they are supposed to be getting, very soon will run out of business, because it is the customer that determines if you will continue to be in business or not. So with this, we are going to be talking about how to promote our businesses and how you can very well get customers while promoting your business. That is what I will be discussing with you on this video. Now, if this is something that is of interest to you, then I want to encourage you to make sure you watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to share with you is something that will change the game for you, right? So it is possible that you've been doing what I'm about to share with you, but not the way that I'm about to say it, right? So you want to make sure that you are going to watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time that you are actually coming on my channel. Welcome. Right, my name is Grace. Now let's get into it without any further ado. So the first thing you want to do is to actually use the word of mouth. Yes, guys, word of mouth is the best marketing that you can do for your business or for any product or brand, right? Now tell me, when you have hundreds of people talking about a particular product, what do you think will happen to that product? Yes, you guessed very, very right. So when thousands of people talk about one particular product, it very well means that that product is doing well. So what you want to do as a business owner or someone that wants to sell a particular product or a brand is for you to get your product to as many mouths as possible. So you want people to begin to talk about your product or your business or whatever it is that you are looking at selling or making money from. That is one thing you want to do. So if you have customers already that have bought from you over time, one thing you want to do is to, hey, send them a message and let them know that they can talk about your business and make a profit, like a commission, right? So if they talk about your business and get you clients or customers, they can very well get 10% of what the customer is buying or 5% of what the customer is buying. But hey there, make sure you are not shooting yourself on the foot, right? So be careful of the percentage you will be giving them, right? So you want to do your calculations, do your mathematics before you get started with this. But I tell you the truth, this is one thing that will get you more people to come buy your product, because when they get people talking about your product on a daily basis, then very well they will know that your product is of quality, it's good, it has been used, and you are someone that they should buy from. So word of mouth is one best marketing strategy that you want to implement in your business. So sit down and ask yourself, how are you going to implement this, right? So what you want to do again is to use Google My Business. Have you heard about Google My Business before? I guess you have. But do you know that a lot of people go on Google to think or to, actually search for things? Google actually is one of the best, if not the first, right, search engines when it comes to searching of things. People go on Google by default. Whenever you're looking at searching for something, I believe that you also have done same. So imagine listing your business, that product that you're looking at selling. Imagine listing that product on Google. Imagine people coming on Google and looking for something that relates to that product or for the product itself. What do you think will happen? Of course, your product, the thing I want you to understand is that Google at the end of every month, right, sends you, like an information, like an evaluation of how many people actually reached out. And I tell you guys, because people are always searching on Google, your business will definitely be searched on. right? So if you're doing something that people are in need of, then definitely Google My Business is one place you want to list your product, your company, your brand, or whatever it is that you are selling. Next one that I want to talk about is ebook marketing. So this is something people call lead generation or lead magnets, right? But I'm choosing to call it an ebook marketing. Now, what do I mean by ebook marketing? Ebook marketing is a marketing system where you promote your business or your product using an ebook. Yes, guys, ebook is like an electronic book that people can very well read on their phones, right? From their tabs on their laptops, and they will get the information that you want them to get. Now, having the ability to list your product in a particular ebook is one thing that you want to do when it comes to promoting your business. Now, let's say, for instance, I am in the fitness niche, right? And let's say that I sell equipment that has to do with exercises or fitness, right? I can actually create an ebook on how to lose weight in 30 days. Now, when I do this, I'm going to list the equipment that you would need to actually lose the weight that you want to lose in 30 days. I'm going to link it in that ebook, driving my product to a website. So everyone that would actually get that ebook will definitely, get to my website to actually buy that equipment or that thing that they can use to actually, lose weight in 30 days. Now, how cool is that? This is you marketing without actually telling people to come and buy a particular product. Because as many people that get this ebook, right, it means that they are interested in the business or in that particular product, that they are looking at buying that product, if not now, but some other time. So you want to make sure that when you are doing this, you are very well giving value in that ebook. So make sure that the ebook is actually solving a particular problem as it relates to the product or to the business or brand that you are looking at promoting. So ebook marketing is one thing you want to, get started with, because it is the best thing to do when we talk about selling without actually selling. A lot of people love to buy, but a lot of people do not want to be sold to. I guess you've heard that before, right? So ebook marketing is one thing you want to get started with. So write about something and drive traffic to your website, to WhatsApp, to whatever means, so that they can go and buy that particular product. It's possible that you are in the baking niche, for instance, and you want people to actually, come and, book for birthday cakes and all of that. You can write an ebook concerning baking or teaching people how to bake a particular thing. Right now, people would love to learn how to bake bread. So if you can write an ebook on how to bake bread, then definitely they will definitely come to get that ebook. And when they come to get that ebook, you can drive them to your website to come and buy ingredients from you if you're selling, ingredients for baking, right? So that is one thing you want to do as it relates to ebook marketing. So I want to believe that you're going to start with this. Now, if you're looking at learning how to actually create ebooks, then you want to join my digital marketing skills and learn how to actually, create ebooks that sell. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description of the next one you want to do is content marketing. Yes, guys, content, they say, is king. So for you to actually get your product or brand into the eyes of people, then you want to create content on a daily basis. Not just any kind of content, but content that talks about the product that you are looking at creating. It's very important that when you are using content marketing, you are sure of the product, You have a goal and you have a plan. Now, one thing about content marketing is that you want to ask yourself, what platform would your ideal customers actually be on, that they would see the content that you talking about? So Facebook, is one place you can create content. Social media is one place. Newspaper is another place you can put out content. YouTube, Instagram, and all of that. These are, places that you can actually put out content and talk about your product. Now, one thing about content marketing that I would want you to get started with is using videos. Video is one thing that, transforms, or, just does the magic for you, right? Videos right now is a game changer, and everything right now, everybody is going on to video. So if you can use video in your content marketing, then definitely you will be getting better results. So list your products on TikTok using videos and drive traffic to your website or to WhatsApp or to whatever platform you want them to reach out to you to buy that product. So TikTok is my number one that I would recommend if you're using video, to actually create your content as marketing, right? So content marketing is one thing you want to get started. Another one is for you to run social media advertising. So there are a lot of advertising that you can actually run, right? We have newspaper, we have TV, we have radio, but social media for me is one thing that I always advise every business owner to actually do, because everyone and everybody is on social media, except, of course, I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Even my mom and dad, they are on social media now, right? So social media is one place that you can actually get your ideal customers, and running adverts, well, will do the magic for you. Now, Facebook advertising, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, you name them, right? We have X, which is Twitter. So all of these ads is something that you can actually run to promote your business, your brand, or your product. Now, I have a class coming up in the month of June on how to actually run and sell your product using Facebook and Instagram ads. If you're interested in that class, then the link to that will be in the description of this video. Make sure you check out that and join the class. Another place that you can actually sell and promote your products or services is on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, guys, this thing, I don't know why people do not, actually talk about this, because Facebook Marketplace is one place that you can sell and promote your business and get a lot of customers to actually buy from you. Yes, guys, let me show you how to actually use Facebook Marketplace. So right here on Facebook Marketplace, you just come on and you list your product with description and prices, and people that comes on this place will definitely see your product if it is something that they are looking for. So why don't you get started with this right now? It's not going to cost you anything, because I know that you are using a phone and you have a Facebook account. So get started with this. So guys, there we have it. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I want to believe that this video has been of benefit to you. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Come on, give it a thumb up. It doesn't cost you anything. That is the only way you can tell me thank you for this, information, for the strategies that I have just shared with you. So subscribe, guys, join the family so that you can always get notified whenever I put out a video. Now I'm going to link this video right now coming up. Make sure you watch this video next, because it will be also giving you strategies that you can implement in your business to actually get more customers and make more money for yourself. Until I come your way again, my name is Grace Ibe, and don't forget to continue to get customers every day.